Hey guys, I wanted to make a review video on this Mekoh Foam Cannon. This thing is awesome, and thanks a lot to Mekoh for sending this out. So if you don't know what a foam cannon is, you need one if you're going to be pressure washing, because this is going to make tons of foam. So what you're going to do is fill this up with soap water. It's got a little hose right here that'll go in. It's got a filter that'll filter out anything in your stuff. And then you'll take you can take a handheld nozzle or even your regular wand for your pressure washer, and you'll hook it up right here. So you've got one setting here to turn it on and off the amount coming through, and then you can open and close your spray pattern. You can also turn your spray pattern up and down. Also comes with this different size orifice, so if your pressure washer is less than 2,000, then you put this orifice in. Also comes with a filter and other spray patterns for your regular pressure wash nozzle. And also what's cool, it comes with an expanding sponge for cleaning and a very soft terry cloth as well. But anyway, let's fill this up and get some foam going and see how awesome this thing is. Okay, so you're going to turn the nozzle up for pressure or down when you get more soap. Here we go. So what I found is that the more soap you add in here, the more foam you're going to get, obviously. You probably don't want to do too much soap or clog up anything, and definitely want to rinse this out after done being used. But if you want more foam, got to add more soap in the container. You can even turn it to make a stream. Wide fan, on a narrow fan, you can turn it both directions. Very versatile. You can even turn down the power. You go, the more soap is going to come out. Yeah, so this foam cannon from Mekoh is super awesome. Works really, really well. I like the nice clear jug, the lid. Everything else here is made really well. So it's got brass fittings here. That's really going to last a long time. You got your nozzle up here and your adjustment right here on the end. But yeah, this is a great product. Thanks again to Mekoh for sending this out. This foam cannon going to be awesome to wash cars with. If you're needing something like this to wash cars, this is highly recommended. Definitely pick up one of these.